So I'm here with Mohamed, who is the regional manager for CPPLUS. Good afternoon and welcome to GITEX 2023. Now, CPPLUS is one of the leading brand of surveillance systems. What are the new changes that you've observed in the different regions of the world in terms of expectations and requirements in surveillance?
Basically, the requirement comes from right from the SOHO segment as well as to the mid and large segment. If I start with the SOHO segment, there is a demand come from for the small home people. They wanted to monitor their maids and everything at the level. If you're going with the small shops and all, these people wanted to see the monitoring at this thing. If we talk about the projects, the CCTV has become elevated into such a level where they would be looking more than the CCTV monitoring. Basically, they would be looking for the high-end analytics, which should be capable of doing to do their ROI, and basically where they definitely wanted to see what they're going to have the ROI on the investment. So if you talk about the expectation from them, the project industry, which is actually we call it as the project industry, basically there's people's expectations are more towards the analytics. The olden days are there where people do not really care about the analytics. Now everybody's talking about the analytics on that.
And what are your expectations and goals for GITEX 2023 with Embers?
Basically, Embers is definitely certainly a very emerging player in the market, and he had a very strong based out in Dubai as well as in other parts of the region. So we would be looking for they are targeting the two segment, which is for the distribution, purely for the box movement and all. That's like component movement, I should say. They have a good variety of product where they can able to open the doors for us. At the same time, we would be looking for the projects. They're having a high-end projects like having other products also. So where definitely we can able to have a good achievement and more success in the particular region.
And what are your latest developments in terms of AI and influencing that in other markets?
Basically, the AI, we are not just going with the basic like people counting, intrusion and all. We had been elevated ourselves into the higher level, where we would be talking about the more advanced analytics, where people can able to see what exactly the real analytics is actually. Yeah. So there is AI is basically the ocean in terms in their noun itself. But what we are catering is actually to bring it the affordability, the whole big analytics, the detailed analytics into the more affordable level. That's our aim actually.
And I've been looking at the monitors behind us, and there's me, hello! And the detail that you have and can provide in terms of analytics and what the cameras are seeing and what they're picking up is quite astounding.
Yeah.
So it's very big brother, as we like to term it. But is this what your customers are asking for right now? More data, more in-depth analysis? Yeah.
So basically what we are showing here live because of this space concern award, basically what to do is we are showing the live people counting over here, the heat mapping, as well as we are doing some kind of face recognition, face capturing. Also we are doing the intrusion and as well. Yeah. So at the same time, we would be having some kind of advanced analytics features, which is being live recorded, been showing here in the videos to people to understand how exactly the transport management, what we developed, it's completely high-end sophisticated transport management in terms of the road monitoring solutions, in terms of the idle vehicle solutions, in terms of the traffic management. So we had done a huge analytics being developed in particular. It's a completely VMS which is being server-based, and we are doing the pure enhancing a lot our product and sorry this one. So.
And I saw on one of your video screens, it's so sophisticated. It can actually pick up whether workers in a kitchen are wearing gloves or not. I mean, in terms of things like health and safety, that's incredible.
Yeah, basically that's actually demand of the market. I could see that's what I told. The basic analytics is become a part and parcel of the product.
Yeah.
And what we are into is we are doing a customized user-based defined solutions where the people, we will first ask what is exactly the requirement is, what exactly their challenge is seeing. So any industry, right from the kitchen, if you see the video over here, we would be able to give them the solutions where the people are wearing the head gloves, and if you put the knife at a proper designated place or not. So such kind of analytics we have been developing this particular application. So we have the fire and heat and sensors, smoke. lot of solutions, I would say. It's a huge solutions what we are describing.
It's incredible. It's incredible what you're achieving. And how did last year's GITEX influence what you're doing this year?
GITEX is always every year it having a kind of influence in terms of people are being we love to be like we get an opportunity to talk to the people in different regions. Actually, they used to come, and definitely every GITEX is come with the new opportunities and new hope and the new requirement and new challenges, of course, at the same time. So we do really love to have the GITEX be always there in this.
Well, it's amazing to have you here with us at Embas at GITEX 2023. Thank you so much.
Pleasure meeting you. Thanks a lot. Thanks for joining. Bye-bye.